Hey guys, it's Tony. So I wanted to come on here to do a really quick TA on Doggy, just to kind of see exactly what's going on, where the momentum is, where I think it's actually going to go, and we'll kind of continue on from where we left off on looking at this on Robinhood, right? So immediately off the bat, like it doesn't really. I mean, you guys know that, I mean, as of now, I am using the reverse MACD, which is my own creation, basically, to kind of guide me into what I think if there's actually going to be like a reversal on DogeCoin. Last time we actually reversed on Doggy, let me see if I can get rid of this. We crossed on the downside, and we actually went from tops of 14 cents to lows of 10 cents. So we actually only dropped about 4 cents, and this next drop, if we do have one, I don't think it's going to happen that soon. I do think there's plenty of room to run, especially right now. So we can here's the thing, we can either drop exactly from where we are now from today to tomorrow, or we can completely like keep mooning, right, and go from here. So let me show you guys what I mean. Last time we actually bounced the day stochastic, we went from the bottoms of, we'll go with 8 cents, and we rallied all the way to 18 cents. So we made a huge jump of 10 cents. And I think the same thing can happen if we do jump off this stochastic right here and we go to the upside. I do think there's going to be another 10-cent hike from where we are right now, which is not right this point right here. It's not this point of 23. It's not this point of 23 cents. It's actually the point down here of like 18-20 cents. So I do think that if we bounce off the stochastic on the day chart, next price would actually be 10 cents from the bottom here, which is around 18 cents. So I do think next price point we could possibly reach is around 28 cents, 30 cents, only if we bounce again off the stochastic right here, which is exactly what happened last time. We could definitely see another hike up to to 28 cents. And even looking at the fibs right now, I mean, if I had to look at like the fibs from let me see. It's fibs. So we'll go from today's, well, actually we'll go from not today's but actually yesterday's, because we can't really use today's. We'll go down from the lowest low, which is right there, which is around 5 cents. Whoops, how did I do that? There you go. And it does look like the next stop from here could possibly be, yeah, it's around like what I said, 26, 28 cents. So the next fib level is actually around 27 cents, which we actually already hit. I think we already hit 27 cents on the wick, right? Highs of, it's only marking this high of 25 cents. It's only marking it as a high of 25 cents, which is weird because I know we already hit 27 cents for Doggy. But I do think that, we already hit that mark. After that, I do think that if we do cross this 27-cent mark and break towards the upside and then retest, I do think after that we have a solid entryway of going directly to 40 cents, which would be absolutely ridiculous, right? Absolutely ridiculous. And even on the week chart, like, we're still super bullish. Like, we can definitely run for like another week or two just on DogeCoin, right? So I do think that the momentum is definitely bullish right now. There's no signs of it stopping anytime soon. The only downside that I see is if we actually cross the stochastic on the downside, there's a huge chance that we might actually go, let me get rid of this. There's a huge chance that we might go all the way down to the former drops, right? And last time we were from that high to that. Last time we went from those highs to lows, we dropped. Let me see if I can find a good example. Yeah, last time, I mean, we dropped. What was last time we dropped? We did from highs of 9 cents to lows of 4 cents. So I do think that if we drop from here, there's a solid chance that we might drop from half. So from 20 cents, we might drop all the way down to 10 cents if we actually cross this day stochastic. We need to bounce off of this to keep running. If we do not bounce off of this, I 100% see. You guys see that? We actually just crossed it. The bear stochastic just crossed right now. If you guys saw that, it just crossed. So I don't think it's going to be going down, but if we do go down, I do think we're going all the way back down to around 10 cents. I think that's going to be the marker. It does not look like we're going to be bouncing off of this, but we have to wait. I mean, this could definitely just kind of change trajectory immediately and shoot right back up. But I do think if we drop, I do think the bottom is going to be 10 cents. I'll see you guys later.